In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert an Excel file into Google Sheets. So here you can see I've got an Excel file. If I right click on it and go to properties, you can see it is an Excel file. If we open it, it will open up in Excel. So let's convert this to Google Sheets. So what we need to do is open up a web browser. So I'm using Google Chrome, but you can open up any web browser. Now let's do a search for Google Drive. Once we've done that search, we now need to go to Google Drive. So just go ahead and click on the second one, Personal Cloud Storage and File Sharing Platform. What we can do here is go to Drive and we can upload this file and open it in Google Sheets. So once you're on Google Drive, if you've used it before, then you may have some files here. If not, this will be empty. What you need to do though is go to New in the top left, click File Upload, then go ahead and find your Excel file. So mine is in Downloads, so here it is, ball color. So let's go ahead and open that. It's now going to upload that file to Google Drive. So here is that file. Now you can go ahead and click on it in the bottom right hand corner, or if you refresh, you should see it here. So now let's double click on that file, and there you go, it's now opened in Google Sheets. So now you've got your data in Google Sheets, you can just simply go ahead and open it from Google Drive. So here it is, you can now open this in Google Sheets. That's all you've got to do.